Hey, can you do the 80s robot?
Ow, 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 ow.
Is that your favorite part of the Muppets?
Yeah.
What other parts do you like about the Muppets?
Like this, and then those. Ow, ow! It just turned into a wall.
What's your favorite song in the Muppets?
What is that?
Ew, gross. Katie, did you just fart? Yeah. Did Katie just fart?
She did.
Can you do a silly face? Do you know?
She did the birth. I think we're over that now. I do something.
Can you do a silly face? What other faces can you do? What other silly things? Can you hold your breath? Hold your breath. Is that how your breath?
Okay, now I can do it. I
Whoa.
can do a silly face.
Whoa, that's pretty silly.
My friend made them.
That's pretty silly.
And she does too.
Okay, silly face off. Last silly face. Monkey. And fish. Nice. Nice animals. Ah! Ooh. Say bye.
Bye.